Do you think success on YouTube only depends on having great content? Well, not really, my friend. That's just part of the story. In fact, there are so many channels out there with amazing content, but still they don't get views, they don't grow, and eventually they give up. Here's the truth. There's a secret most people don't even know about: tags and hashtags. These two simple tools, if you use them the right way, can literally put your videos in front of hundreds of thousands of viewers. Just look at this example. Two videos on the same topic. One barely got any views, while the other exploded with traffic. The only difference? The correct use of tags and hashtags. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose tags that make the YouTube algorithm fall in love with your content. Pick hashtags that bring you maximum reach and visibility. Trust me, if you stay until the end of this video, these few minutes could completely change the future of your channel. But first, what's the difference between tags and hashtags? Tags are keywords you add inside the video settings. Viewers don't see them, but the algorithm does. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about and decide who should see it. Hashtags, on the other hand, start with the symbol hash. You can put them in your title or description. Viewers can actually see them, click on them, and discover more related videos. Now let's talk about using them the right way. Tags. Add only relevant keywords. Around 6 to 12 is more than enough. Don't stuff too many. YouTube may treat it as spam. Add 2 to 3 common misspellings so you cover more search variations. Always combine short-tail keywords like gaming or cooking with long-tail keywords like how to cook pasta at home. Short-tail gets you reach, long-tail gets you discoverability. Together, they're powerful. Hashtags. Use about 3 to 6 hashtags directly related to your video. I recommend putting 2 at the top of your description and another 2 to 3 at the bottom. Keep them short, clear, and directly connected to your topic. And here's the key. Tags work behind the scenes for the algorithm. Hashtags work in front of the audience for clicks and visibility. Use both correctly, combine short-tail and long-tail keywords, and your chances of being discovered will skyrocket.